So in today's video, I'm gonna make some double hoop earrings. And for this first earring, you need memory wire in ring size. And the first row you cut a little bit overlapping. And for the second ring, you cut it just so it touches in the middle. And we're gonna start with the first one. We're gonna make the end loop first, and for this tutorial we're gonna make them sideways. Now you made your first loop there. We're just gonna leave this like this because this is the top ring, and this one come a little bit further down. We're gonna make the end loop first. Like that. And now we're going to string this with some very glittery nice rondelles and some spacer beads. And you're gonna start with a smaller rondelle. Now I have put 3 of each on. Then I'm going to take the bigger one. So this is going to be the middle of the earring. Like this. Now you see they're even, and I can tell that this piece is maybe a little bit long, so I'm just gonna cut this piece off a little bit. Just a few millimeters. And watch your eyes. And then we're going to make an end loop. There you have your lower piece. And now we're going to bead this one and attach it to this one like this. So first we're going to start with a spacer bead. And then a rondelle. now we have 3 of each, and then we're going to attach this one like that, and then we're gonna have a spacer bead, then we're going to take our bigger bead as a centerpiece, and then another spacer bead, and now we're going to put this one on this one, on the upper ring. This may be a little bit tricky, but it's doable. You see, like this. Now you do the same on this side as on the right side. The last spacer bead. And this one is a bit too long, so I'm just going to shorten this a little bit as well. Like so, and now we're just gonna attach the hook. I already made the other one, but I haven't put the hook on yet, so I'm gonna do that. There you go. A nice pair of very shiny bright earrings. Now I'm gonna make a different double hoop earring. For this one, we're gonna need one smaller one. This is ring size. You have the small one. And for the bigger hoop, I use bracelet size. You cut it with a 5mm overlap, like that. Now you have 2 hoops. And we're gonna start with this bigger one. You're gonna make the end loop first. Like that. And I chose seed beads for this one. You can choose any beads you like. So I'm gonna start string seed beads, and it will take an eternity, so I'm just gonna fast forward on this one. Now the first one's done. Now I'm gonna make the second one. I'm also going to put white ones on this one. So I'm going to start stringing again. Now I strung all the beads, and I'm going to make the end loop. Like that. Now we're going to put it together. Put a loop in to close it like this. And we're also going to put a loop on the big one. Put the ear hook on as well. Closed. Now we're going to put the small one onto the big ring. Now that I've finished the earrings, I feel they look nice, but I think I'm gonna add a charm on here. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And in order to get the flowers to hang this way, I need to add 2 jump rings. Like this. Like this. Now they look a bit more interesting. So this was all for now. Thank you very much. Bye bye.